Okay, so I frequently hear from teachers that students are contacting them to say they want to start over. And this is something I dealt with as a teacher as well. Students who are saying, "Oh, I want to start over." So basically, what happens is that the student, if we do not have recs turned on, the students, we're getting a peer assessment, and the students can move forward if they regardless of what they do. So we don't have recs turned on. They're not stopped. They can just move forward. And so what happens is that students will make a hypothesis, and then they'll get to this screen. And then as they start collecting data, they will realize that they made a mistake and that their hypothesis is incorrect, and they want to start over. And what I would tell my students instead is that they can still get a perfect score. Like, scientists don't, when they realize that their hypothesis was incorrect, they don't see, it's right here. Oh, it got more red with more dye. Oh no, I want to start over. And that's not what scientists do. When they start testing a new drug and they realize the drug doesn't work, they don't start over. They don't say, "Oh, that was wrong. Stop, halt." No, they finish their investigation and they show that the drug didn't work. And so that's the first thing I would encourage you to do, is to encourage your students to keep going. They can still get 100%, even with a false hypothesis. See, when they move here, we actually give them a chance to say, then the redness of the petals then increase. This does not support my hypothesis. We give them a chance to say that in their claim, and they can still get 100%, even if their hypothesis was incorrect. So I would encourage them to look at the evidence and to follow through with their investigation and to finish it as a scientist. Now, let's say that the student really needs another chance. Now, with the tutorials, I would encourage you to just go ahead and have them finish that one if possible, and then assign like tutorial 2 to them and give them another chance. And if they need it, assign tutorial 3 and give them another chance. Now, if you really want to if you really want to have them do, let's say, tutorial 1 again, you can, even though you already assigned it, you can come back here and you can assign it again. And you could do this. Don't publish it. You could just do first period, next. You could assign it. And then what you can do is you can actually go in and you can grab this and you can copy that and just send it to that student. So that student could have already started this one, say maybe they're the 0 of 2, and then you reassign it, you assign it a second time, and you give them this next link. You copy that and you email them that, and so that they can do the same basic tutorial 1 again. Or what I would encourage you to do is tell them to finish it through. That's what scientists do. It's okay to refute your hypothesis. In fact, it's highly encouraged. And then I would actually come here and I would assign them tutorial 2. And if you don't publish this, if you just assign it, you could just give this to a certain number of students in your class. You could give some students the ability to do this second tutorial, but not assign it to all of them. I hope this information has been helpful. I don't want to make it too long, so please reach out if you have any questions, and I hope that this was a helpful video. Please reach out if you have any questions. Thank you.